My parents and grandparents hailed from the rural Andhra belt, and during the 1960s my grandparents moved to Hyderabad. That is when my entire family moved to the city. Predominantly our family is a agricultural based family. Like my great grandparents and their parents were all into agriculture. But during my grandfather's time, they saw a huge potential in the city and they moved here and they started working in the service sector. So that is one of the reasons why I never had exposure to any village. Most of my summers were spent in Singapore and in US visiting our family members, and I never had any exposure towards village or rural culture. During one of my visits to Rajahmundry, to a village called Anaparthi and Jonnada, that is when I had my first glimpse of how a village is, how a village lifestyle is. And I was awestruck, and it was amazing for me because that was something that I was never exposed to, and I instantly felt connected. Maybe that is where my ancestors hailed from, and that's where the connection, I think, established, and it was an instant, I fell in love with that. And since then, every year I make a point to visit Andhra at least 3 to 4 times, and I spend a lot of time in the coconut farms and waking up early like 5:30 and going into the farms and the paddy fields and see how the farmers grow vegetables and rice. And it was simply amazing, and that is something that I missed during my childhood. And the main reason why I want to go ahead I chose Antaram is I didn't get any exposure to village, and I got my first experience when I was 19, but I do not want that with my son. I have a 13-month-old and I want him to have the rural exposure, and I want him to know what farming is, how we get milk and all of that right from once he's 3 or 4. So that is one of the main reasons why I chose the Antaram project. It was in 2017 when I first visited Organo Nandi. That is when I fell in love with the community. The most amusing fact for me was the people living in the community eat the produce which is grown at Nandi, and there is a goshala over there and they get fresh milk every day. And the community as such felt very lively, and you wake up to hearing birds chirping, clean air and direct sunlight, and that is something that we miss in the city. I've spent a few days in Organo Nandi and have celebrated a few festivals over there, and I really loved the way everyone comes together as a family and how they interact, and that is something that I don't see right now in the busy cities. I really like that, and I want my son to have that kind of lifestyle growing up. So that is one of the other reasons why I chose the Antaram project, because you have people from different backgrounds coming and living in as a community, and I'm sure there'll be kids of his age, and I don't need to worry about him when he goes out because he's in a safe and secured environment. The one thing that I really loved about the Antaram project is that every house has a big forest behind and a water body in the surrounding, and I want my son to wake up to that and see how go to the goshala, they milk the cows over there, and how the produce is being collected and distributed, and also have friends in the community, have a good bond with them.
I want to spend time with my husband and my kid. We want to have that cozy little space, as I come from a joint family, and we want to be close to the nature.
We are really looking forward to this project in Antaram, and we can't wait for the project to complete and start a new way of living over there.